This podcast is for those who have experienced cheating and betrayal in their intimate relationships. If you're one who have been cheated earlier, or you're anticipating cheating or betrayal from your partner, listen to this podcast and, of course, listen to that remedial recitation. Today, I met a young man and he was going through a panicky situation because his to be wife was somewhere not meeting him since almost a week. He said, I can rationalize, I can understand. She could be busy, she may not be well, and she may not have time. She's a working woman. However, I know I am unnaturally panicking. This was his second marriage. He was already married earlier and divorced and highly stressed out about his second chance or a second inning now. To be wife had already confessed that she had an affair and she's already professionally connected with her ex. However, she doesn't mean to get involved, and there is no way she's going to get married. This honest confession worsened the anxiety of this gentleman. He was just wondering, why is he so anxious out of the way and out of anxiety when he tries to be possessive, act little more curious, or little more protective. It is taken as suffocation, feeling of being trapped, feeling of being stuck, and then follows a rebellion. It sounds like a common plot, isn't it? So, one of the partners in the marriage is pretty possessive, insecure, and trying to control. And then, second partner tries to liberate and resist all sorts of controls. In this defensive ways of resistance aggravates the insecurity and enhances the control. And two people get into some sort of terrible loop, and none of them can easily come out of this loop. And eventually, the whole equation ends in a breakup, thinking that the breakup will resolve the matter forever. However, it does not. These kind of breakups carry deep wounds and scars, and that will get carried forward to the next relationship. And of course, the next relationship is not going to be free from the past, and the story could repeat. It may occasionally reverse, but definitely the scars will get carried forward to the next relationship, and the past will keep haunting on and off. What could be done in these kind of relationships? All you have to do is understand your insecurities. Recognize your insecurities and be present to your insecurities. You do not have to react. Control is going to have adverse repercussion, and it's best that you give enough space and operate more out of trust and faith. Now, if you have been hurt before, if you have been betrayed before, it is still more difficult to have faith and trust. But let me tell you that it is your doubt and skepticism that feeds the possibility of cheating and betrayal. Very simple. When you're full of doubts And when you do not trust your partner, to maintain the level of confidence, your partner often says an outright lies or hide the facts. And this can worsen the situation. Give confidence to your partner, give space to your partner, and allow your partner to be transparent, honest, and in integrity. This requires a lot of patience, tolerance, and understanding. If you have a partner who is full of doubt, make sure that you do not do things to worsen the matter. The doubts are like those open wounds, and you have to play very safely and sensitively so that you don't keep troubling and ruffling those wounds. Give time to heal those wounds so that they do not keep getting triggered. And if you are one of those partners who's already wounded and are all the time anxious of being hurt again, you've got to act with patience, heal your wounds, resolve your past, and then think of getting into any further relationship. However, if you're already in a relationship, make sure that you give yourself that kind of space to heal your past, resolve, go to a counselor, go to a healer, go to a therapist, heal your inner child, heal your past, heal your relationships, so that you do not allow the shadows of the past to adversely affect your relationships in the now. I'm going to now recite a few radical statements to complete your past and ease your life. These statements are designed for people who've had past wounds and already are anticipating the possibility of repeating the past traumatic events with the next partner or the current partner. With soul's love, I heal and integrate my wounds. With soul's love, I heal and integrate my wounds. With soul's love, I heal and integrate my wounds. With soul's love, I awaken inner peace. With soul's love, I awaken inner peace. With soul's love, I awaken inner peace. With soul's love, I awaken self assurance. With soul's love, I awaken self assurance. With soul's love, I awaken self assurance. With soul's love, I awaken self confidence. With soul's love, I awaken self confidence. With soul's love, I awaken self confidence. With soul's love, I awaken faith in myself. With soul's love, I awaken faith in myself. With soul's love, I awaken faith in myself. With soul's love, I intend and invite integrity from all. With soul's love, I intend and invite integrity from all. With soul's love, I intend and invite integrity from all. With soul's love, I intend and invite honesty from all. With soul's love, I intend and invite honesty from all. With soul's love, I intend and invite honesty from all. With soul's love, I become a magnet of fidelity. With soul's love, I become a magnet of fidelity. With soul's love, I become a magnet of fidelity. With soul's love, I remain in the now. With soul's love, I remain in the now. With soul's love, I remain in the now. Keep reciting and stay tuned.